Welcome to the Master of Applied Data Science program at MS State Online. I'm Maddie, the Admissions and Recruiting Coordinator for the College of Professional and Continuing Studies, where we oversee online and continuing education programs. Today, I'm joined by Lynn Taylor, our Academic Coordinator for the MADS program. Lynn, thank you so much for being here.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to talk to you today about the MADS program with the Data Science Academic Institute and how we can help students succeed in data science.
Lynn, let's start with a big question that many prospective students have. Why should someone choose the MADS program at Mississippi State Online?
Great question. The MADS program is designed to be highly relevant to today's workforce. It's specifically developed for working individuals who want to leverage data science in their careers regardless of their industry. We offer a flexible online format, and the best part is that there are absolutely no prerequisites. You can come into the program from any academic background, and we'll teach you everything you need to know, including the foundational skills in data science.
That's huge, especially for those who may not have a background in math or computer programming. And this program is really practical too, right? And tell me a little bit more about the applications.
Exactly. It's very practical. It's all about applying data science skills to real world problems. Many of the courses are kind of like a hybrid where they're lecture and lab in a format where students can work hands on with real data sets and solve challenges. And by the end of the program, students are going to have a huge portfolio of projects, which will be invaluable when they're going to apply their skills to the job market.
Awesome. So, speaking of courses, can you tell us a little bit more about what type of courses students will be taking and what skills they'll develop?
Sure. The MADS program covers key areas like acquiring, cleaning, and storing data, which is essential for handling large data sets. You'll also dive into statistical analysis, which is where you learn how to extract meaning and insights from the data. And another exciting area is visualization, where the students are going to master how to present their information to decision makers.
That sounds like a really great foundation. So, what about some of the newer trends that we're seeing, like artificial intelligence?
Yes, our artificial intelligence is a big focus area for the MATS program. Students are going to learn about and gain practical experience in using statistical machine learning and deep learning, both essential aspects of the AI revolution. Students are also going to learn languaging programming such as R and Python, which are industry standards for data science and artificial intelligence.
That's awesome. So it sounds like students really get to roll up their sleeves and gain some practical experience and apply what they're learning. How do students wrap up the program? You mentioned a portfolio. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yes, we have a final practicum where the student gets the chance to apply everything that they've learned into a real world project. It's a great way to synthesize the skills and knowledge gained throughout the program, and it gives the students something tangible that they can present to their employers or prospective employers.
Something else I noticed when I was reading up about the program is the emphasis on project management. That's a great skill to take back alongside the data analysis piece to lead digital transformation initiatives in all types of organizations.
Absolutely. We have an entire course devoted to data management.
That's great. So, support for this program is key, and we love to help our students. Let's talk a little bit more about the type of support MAD students can expect throughout their experience at MS State Online. From day one, our students will work with our enrollment and onboarding coach, Mindy Wolf, who helps them navigate the admissions process and any questions they have about applications. Once they're in the program, we have retention and engagement support with Anusha Rijal, who checks in to make sure everything's going smoothly academically, and of course, Lynn is available to help students select their courses and provide academic advising along the way, right?
Absolutely. I'm going to be the advisor for the MADS program, and I can help students create a course schedule that fits their goals and timelines. And if they have any questions about courses or what's involved in them, I'm glad to assist anytime.
Thanks, Lynn. For those who are watching who are ready to hit that apply now button, what are the next steps?
It's really simple. First, you're going to go and complete the online application, and then you just need to gather your statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, and any transcripts you might have. There is no GRE or GMAT that's required, which makes the process even more accessible.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Lynn, for breaking everything down about the MADS program. It sounds like an incredible opportunity for those who are looking to gain some practical data science skills.
Thanks, Maddie. Thanks for having me.
So, to recap, relevancy is key for the MADS program. It's specifically developed for working individuals who need to leverage the power of data science within their field, no matter their industry. One of the standout features of the MADS program is that it requires no prerequisites, allowing students from any academic background to pursue this advanced degree. Convenient and fully online, the program is open to students with a bachelor's degree in any field. There's no need for prior experience in mathematics or computer programming. The curriculum is designed to incorporate all the necessary concepts and skills as part of the coursework. This ensures that anyone can succeed, regardless of their previous background. Practicality is another key feature. Students will gain hands-on experience working with real data to solve organizational challenges in their chosen field. Many of the courses offer a hybrid lecture and lab format, providing ample opportunity to apply data science techniques in a guided environment. By the end of the program, you'll have accumulated an impressive portfolio of data projects, including a tangible final project that demonstrates your mastery of key skills. You might be wondering, how much does it cost? We understand that cost is a significant factor in your decision-making process. At MS State Online, everyone pays the same in-state tuition rate, regardless of residency. Tuition for online programs is charged on a per credit hour basis. Tuition per credit hour is $558.50. Instructional support fee per credit hour of $25, plus a $50 flat distance fee, bringing the total graduate tuition per credit hour to $633.50. Please note that tuition and fees are subject to change, and for the most current information, visit the controller's website. So, what are the admissions requirements? The MADS program is accessible and straightforward in its admissions process. Here's what you need to apply: a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution, a minimum GPA of 3.0 on a 4.0 scale for your last 4 semesters of undergraduate coursework, a statement of purpose, 3 letters of recommendation, and all transcripts from all post-secondary institutions you attended. One of the program's advantages is that GRE or GMAT scores are not required, making the application process more accessible and streamlined, especially for those who've been out of school for some time. Applying to the MADS program is straightforward. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Complete the online application. Submit your personal information and academic history. Next, you'll prepare your documents. You'll need to submit a statement of purpose, 3 letters of recommendation, and your transcripts from all previously attended institutions. Then you'll pay the application fee. The fee is $60 for domestic students and $80 for international students. Speaking of international students, they must also meet the English proficiency requirements, TOEFL or IELTS. If you have questions, here are some key people you can reach out to. For general program questions, Mindy Wolf, our enrollment and onboarding coach, is here to help you. mindy.wolf@msstate.edu or 662-325-8545. Our retention and engagement specialist, Anusha Rajal, a.rijal@msstate.edu or 662-325-8876. You met Lynn Taylor earlier, the admissions and advising academic coordinator, Lynn at datascience.msstate.edu or 662-325-3168. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or if you need additional assistance. We're all here to help you succeed.